Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in my car today because I forgot to film an intro. So, hello. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this like yellow look with like white eyeliner and like faux freckles or whatever. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe and, you know, just keep on watching it if you want to see how I got this. I already did my eyebrows and prime my lids, and then the palette we're going to be using is the 35B by Morhpe, and all we're going to use is this color. That's it. So all I'm going to do is just pretty much pack that yellow all over the lid, like all over the lid. But like kind of blend it upwards as well. And then kind of like on the brow bone, you start blending the product you already have in your brush upward. Alright, and then I'm going to grab more product, and then with the Cover FX spray, I'm just going to spray it a little bit so it could like kind of intensify the yellow. And then I'm using like this little like fluffy brush from Morhpe Pro. It is the BMX 430 crease brush. So any fluffy brush will work perfectly fine. For this look, I'm gonna put like little strips of tape on the side of my eyes because I'm not a pro or anything.
Two hours later.
Okay. Next, I'm going to use the Infallible Paints white eyeliner. It's called White Party. And we're just going to line it up. Oh God. Oh, messed up already. I'm done doing the eyeliner, and of course it's crooked, but I don't care, you know? The show must go on. But anyways, on the white eyeliner, we are going to add glitter. I'm going to use the Kiss eyelash glue to like put on the white eyeliner so the eyelash, or not the eyelash, the glitter could stick. So I'm using this white glitter. I got like a pack of like a bunch of them on Amazon. Next, you just want to put your lashes on. I'm going to be using these by Sweetheart Lashes, and they don't have a name on them, so I mean, I can't tell you what kind they are, but cool, gorgeous. So I got this like new Maybelline Instant Touch-Up Blur Stick, and let me tell you, this works pretty well. I only put it like in this zone and like right here, and just like rub it in or like spread it out. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of color correcting because I've been way too tired lately. My face routine hasn't changed. I'm using the Frankie Rose foundation in Olive. And then for concealer, I'm going to use the Age Rewind concealer in Light Pale. I'll be using the trusty dusty Airspun powder. I'm using the Chocolate Soleil to bronze. Soleil or something like that. By Too Faced. With that same yellow shade, I'm gonna pack it on the bottom lid. It's the bottom lid? What is this called? I don't know. And then with this like jumbo crayon highlighter thing, it's Maybelline Color Tattoo Crayon Color in Barely Beige. I'm just gonna put that like in the waterline. On the waterline? I don't know. Wow. Just add mascara. Oh, I'm a mess. I'm gonna put a little bit of blush on the cheeks, and then I'm using the Paaarty blush by who? Tarte. And like the inner corner of my eyes, I'm gonna be using this shade of highlight. It's called Lyra, and it's from the Aurora highlight palette. Glow kit, I mean. Okay, actually, I'm gonna spray it a little. For my face highlight, I'm going to be using the Sugar Glow Kit by Anastasia. I'm going to use Butterscotch. With that same highlighter from the other Glow Kit, we're going to put it on our eyebrow. Well, under like the little arch. Well, this lip liner is from ColourPop. It's called Curvy. And then this is called Curvy as well, but it's like a lipstick that you can put it on together. Or actually, one last thing I did want to add is like faux freckles. So I'm just gonna add that really quick. I don't know if this is gonna mess up the look, but who cares? So I'm using like this light brown shade from the 35F palette by Morhpe. Okay, that's it. Oh. So freckles. Don't know how I like this, but whatever. This is the final look. So if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And also you could follow all my other social medias down below. Do whatever you want, you know, see more of my life.
So yeah, thanks for watching.